welcome back to Keyra TV. Oke, hari ini adalah hari kemerdekaan Independence Day 17 Agustus. Jadi keluarga saya ini selalu merayakan 17 Agustus di rumah bersama keluarga. Jadi apa aja sih persiapan kita hari ini? Kita bakal mengadakan permainan. Kalau tarik tambang kayaknya kita nggak ngadain, tapi kalau kita lompat karung ya kesini. Udah gitu ada makan kerupuk, tapi kalau kerupuknya susah banget nyarinya, jadi kita ganti jadi cookies. Ini cookiesnya enak banget. Jadi dan juga ada apa lagi ya? Oh, kita ganti dengan permainannya dengan ini. Pakai sendok, bawa apa namanya, bawa astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah aku kok lupa, bawa telur pakai sendok gitu, terus sama apa, joget dengan balon. That's it. Jadi ada 4 permainan gitu deh. Ya udah, gimana keseruannya Keyra Family, kalian ikutin kita terus ya. Jangan lupa subscribe and like
and make sure to turn on the notification bell if you like more videos like this. And hopefully you have a great day or night.
Yeah.
Bye.
Happy watching.
Bye.
Doing the barbecue.
Hello, Daddy.
My husband.
Wow.
Wow, some roast chicken. What's so wow about roast chicken?
Roast chicken.
Yummy.
Yum 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 yum.
I'm gonna go hang the
I love that one. It's gonna be roast or barbecue?
Roast.
Okay. Thank you, Dada. Jadi ini persiapan. Jadi kita bakal lomba balap karung di sini.
Do that later after everything's finished. And you got your bathers on.
Wait. James, look. Ready?
That's the last, okay? No more. No like that, Keyra.
I'm watching. Wow.
Two,
2, 3,
and 4 over there.
and 4.
Okay. Kalian take off your slipper.
Oh.
So what are we doing, Mummy?
We gotta jump.
Oh my God.
How many bags do we need?
Is Keyra with us?
4.
4.
This is ridiculous.
Who's in this one?
You, 4 of you.
No practicing.
No practicing. Okay.
You're not allowed to push down the way.
Okay. Only
This is the heat.
in the garage. Only in the garage.
They're in the heat.
You have to get in here, okay?
Wait, how many times? Can we do 3 times?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 the last of the day.
And just remember, if you're neck and neck to the finish line, don't dive on the cement.
Get ready for the next battle.
Okay. Are you ready, Keyra TV?
Carly's still an early lead. Go, Carly. But we got a battle for third.
Get ready for the next battle.
Next to Bebe.
Okay, round 2.
Wait,
Second heat. Ready, set, go! Go!
Okay, now 1, 2, 3 have to go. Kali, Jason, and Keyra.
I'm gonna be lost.
Last one. Keisha.
And James.
And James, still have
Wait,
to.
I got Can you go?
No, we have to put the sack.
No. Oh no, James, come in the middle next to Bubba.
No, I'm on this side.
Remember,
Next to anybody.
you can take people out.
Okay.
Okay. This round.
Wait.
No, no.
I'm counting. 3.
Get ready for the next battle.
1, 2, 3.
Get him! Go, honey, go! Go!
I'm gonna get second.
Keep going.
And that one will be James.
My sack is now at
Yeah. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, James, nice turn.
It's by Ralph Lauren, so yeah.
Okay. I didn't know. That's good. Okay. The next challenge, we're gonna go to eat cookies. Supposed to be a kerupuk, tapi karena kerupuk susah banget dapetinnya, jadi kita makan cookies aja. Let's go to the cookies.
Get ready for the next battle.
1, 2, 3, go! You're not using the.
Cookie fell off.
Oh, okay.
My cookies are lost.
Eat it, Keyra, eat it. Eat it. You can't do that, Jason. Jace, please. You can't holding it. You can't. You have to give it to me. Okay, you do it later. I'm winning.
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, jump. Okay, here.
Lucky gets
Jump. Jump, Kali, quick! Jeff's gonna win!
Spring tastes so good.
Okay, James the winner.
She doesn't like the cookies right
What do you think, honey? Don't talk with your mouth full.
Get ready for the next battle.
Okay. One, two. Let me go move. Go. Skills.
You gotta tie it again. No. Justin just too much as the whole thing was.
This one is short.
Oh, that's gonna be really hard for you guys.
Ready? Mommy, come on.
We go? Almost.
Hold it.
Hang on, baby.
Are we doing it?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes, you have to dancing.
Now dance.
You have to dancing.
I am dancing.
Dancing.
What's that? Happy day, baby.
Bumble baby.
Hey!
Almost done. Until that finish. Okay, hold it up. Hold on.
What's the matter with you?
Okay, done.
Picture me and you. Picture.
Keyra and Justin win that one. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, practice. Okay, how you practice first?
I can do it. That's easy, yes.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
I'm a Justin.
Okay. Justin with Jason, James.
Drop your egg, you gotta
Gotta
go back.
make a rule. One foot's got to touch the concrete.
Okay, you guys have to touch the concrete, okay? Go over there, go over there.
As long as one foot
Oh,
touches.
really? Huh?
Okay, we have a 3 team in here. Sorry?
Is it one?
1 and then 2 you give the Jason. Yes. Yes. And then team 1 is Carly with James. And then Justin in the middle with Jason. And then team 3 is gonna be Keyra and Daddy. Okay.
Ready?
You go first. No. Okay. Not yet. Justin is still doing. Okay. Are you ready? Keyra TV ready?
Get ready for the next battle.
Independence Days. 17 Agustus. 1, 2, 3, go.
You're not supposed to walk.
Oh, really?
Hey, Keyra, one foot's got to touch the concrete.
Yeah.
Don't fall again.
Go.
Hey, don't be.
Start again.
Start again. Keyra, you have to go here. Keyra, concrete. Touch the concrete. Yes, done.
Go, honey, go.
Touch the concrete.
Catch me up!
Yeah. Yeah, team Daddy and Keyra win. Number 2, James and Carly. Number 3, Justin and Jason.
You didn't jump in the middle.
Good job.
Honey, go.
Okay, everyone come here. This is for Keisha. Look at that. Keisha. This is for Ian. This is for Kai.
Yay! Thank you, mommy.
This is for Baba.
Oh, it's a wine bottle.
This is for Justin.
Go long.
This is for James.
Oh,
Something okay. This is for James. This is you. And then for Brandon. This one.
What would you mix?
Can I drink water instead of?
There's no Coke in there. Just water. Some water and Jimmy.
Ooh, yummy, Dada.
Good.
Ah.
lamb chop, chicken satay, and sausages. My chef. Right. Time to mama.
Yummy.
Yummy? Yummy, kakak?
Yummy.
Wait, stop.
Daddy, thank you, Baba.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hi. Yummy?
We want cheese as well.
Kaka, I made
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I made that song.
Not.
Wait.
Yummy. Merah putih.
Happy Independence Day! Merdeka! Inilah Keyra TV merayakan 17 Agustus di rumah bersama keluarga. Bersama dengan kalian semua di Indonesia. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
I hope you like and subscribe the video. And if you like more videos like this, please turn on the notification bell.
Bye.
Bye.